Last section is mineral groups. We'll talk about the 8 most abundant elements in the continental crust here. As you see in this figure, the crust contains elements oxygen, silicon, and you can read the rest. So what we would like you to know here is that the first group, we divide it into silicate minerals in mineralogy. Any mineral that contains silicon and oxygen will be under group of silicate minerals. The rest that doesn't really contain silicon and oxygen in their structure, we'll call them non-silicate mineral groups. Would like to introduce you here to a structural form that silicon and oxygen makes up when they create their bonding. These two figure representing the silicon-oxygen tetrahedron, and that is how we identify a silicate mineral structure. These minerals will have tetrahedron structure in different forms. For instance, olivine group will have a single tetrahedra. Pyroxene will have single chain tetrahedra. Biotite and muscovite will have sheet kind of structural form, but they all contain silica and oxygen in their chemical composition. That's why we call them silicon oxygen. You need to go through and read this section and find out which mineral is the most abundant mineral in the continental crust. You need to read that first. What is the other important group about the non-silicate minerals? We have a nice figure showing you what kind of minerals we have on the continental crust that doesn't contain silica in their chemical composition. As you see, the chemical formula here doesn't really contain any silica. In their system. Thank you so much for listening.